is up, guys? So I decided to do a video of my new purchase. You guys know that I'm redoing the garage. You can see that the colors are yellow and black. I did that for a specific reason. It's because of the Dewalt theme. So, of course, with the Dewalt theme, you need Dewalt tools. This is my first tool purchase that I've ever had to get, and I got it on Amazon Prime Day. Saved a lot of money doing it on Prime Day. So I wanted to make a video of me opening this this new gift of mine. So stay tuned. The first thing we're gonna pull out of the box, we got it all open. And it is it's a whole tote.
It's a tote bag.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, so we got a tote bag, which is real nice. Looks like good quality, something I'm definitely gonna need because I plan on doing side jobs and stuff. As some of you guys know, I do work in construction, so these tools will definitely come in handy. So I have a circular saw right here, brand new, can't wait to use that. A flashlight, which I've definitely needed for the past couple projects because I work all the way into the night sometimes. I got a hammer drill, which is another thing I definitely needed. Set it up all cool like. Multiple batteries and a battery charger, which is good. A lot of the things I have already. I use Dewalt. I have a Dewalt leaf blower and a couple other Dewalt tools. So it's definitely good that I have some batteries to go along with it. And I can interchange these with other things I have around the house. I'll try to set it up all neat like they do on YouTube normally. Obviously with batteries, they come with the charger. Much needed. Already have one, but much needed. You never have too many. I'll probably have to convince Hannah to let me go get more batteries. Got a normal drill right here. And disclaimer, I'm not sponsored and I'm not a professional tool owner yet. This is my first set. I recently, when I built my chicken coop, that's when I started learning how to use tools. So I'm very brand new to this. So if I say something wrong, comment below and correct me, all right? And this right here is I'm assuming a jigsaw, but like I said, comment below if I am incorrect and just let me know. We have one more box back here. And it is oh, this is pretty cool. A boombox speaker. This will go perfect outside. And when I'm doing projects at other people's houses, kind of want to listen to some music and they're not around, or I mean, hook up the Bluetooth and everything, or keep it in my garage and do that. So this is all of it. Looks like that's it. I will be using this to finish some of the stuff in the garage. As you guys know, I'm doing a garage project right now, and I'll be hanging these tools up, not just for show. I'll be using them, don't you worry. Keep that. This tote is super nice though, I'll tell you that. It is worth the $385 I spent. This is normally about $600. At least that's what it said on Amazon. So they got me, Amazon Prime got me. I appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day watching this. Give it a like, give it a subscribe, and share it. Like I said, this was just a simple opening video of the new tool set. And hit that bell, get those notifications.